Hello everyone, in this video I show you how to create PowerPoint presentation in seconds. Just go to gamma.app and then you may select how many decks you are going to create. Then let's refer to our learning competency under the Matatag curriculum. Then just copy and paste in the gamma.app search bar. Describe what you'd like to make. So create a presentation for grade 7 students about, then just paste the ones we copied from the Learning Competency Matatag Curriculum Guide. And there, you can edit the outline if you find some things that needs revision. And just click continue. Then you select the design, then click generate, and then afterwards just click export to PowerPoint, and you can present it like this. And later on, my husband will just edit the content, it should be based on the book daw in siya. So that's it, how to create PowerPoint presentation easily.